Hello and welcome to Saurashtra's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for ISI entrances. So let's get into the problem. Using calculus, we are to sketch the graph of the function fx equals to 5 minus 3x squared divided by 1 minus x squared. Okay. So the function is fx is equals to 5 minus 3x squared divided by 1 minus x squared. We can write this function in this way, that is 1 minus x squared 1 minus 2 into 1 minus x squared plus 3, or 3 into 1 minus x squared plus 2. Okay. Divided by 1 minus x squared. Therefore we get 3 by 1 minus x squared. Therefore we get 3 plus 2 by 1 minus x squared. Therefore f prime x is equals to 1 minus x squared whole square, which results in into minus 1 multiplied by minus 2x. Okay, multiplied by 2, which is this 2. Therefore we get 4x divided by 1 minus x square whole square. Now for x belongs to minus infinity to less than 1, f prime x, or the slope of the function, is negative. If x belongs to minus 1 to less than 0, then f prime x is also negative. If x belongs to 0 to 1 less than 1, then f prime x is positive. And lastly, if x belongs to 1 to less than infinity, then f prime x is positive also. Now we have to draw the diagram. So first of all, we write the table for different values of x and y. Okay. When x is equals to minus 3, the value of fx will be 2 and a 3/4. When x is equals to 3, we get also 2 and a 3/4. If it is minus 2, then we get 2 and a 1/3. If it is 2, then we also get 2 and a 1/3. If it is 0, then we get 5. If it is minus half, then we get 1 and 17 by 3. And if it is half, then we also get 17 by 3. Okay. Now we have to draw the required graph. So this is the required axis. Here on x-axis we have 0, minus 1 and 1, and on the y-axis we have 3 and 5. Why? Let's see. When the values of x are minus infinity to less than 1, then the slope is negative. And from this table, as we can see, that whenever x is less than minus 1, like minus 3, we get the values of y as 2 and a 3/4, which is 11 by 4. Okay, 11 by 4, which obviously less than 3. Therefore, the required curve is looks like this. That is negative slope and less than 3. Now, whenever the values of x are from -1 to less than 0, the slope is negative also. As you can see that when the value of x is greater than -1, like minus half, we have the value 17 divided by 3, which results in greater than 5. Therefore, the graph looks like this. That is the curve which has a negative slope and greater than 5. Now let's see, whenever the values of x are from 0 to less than 1, then the slope is must be positive, and we can see that as the value of x is half or the value of x is 0, we have value greater than equals to 5. Therefore, the curve looks like this, that is positive slope and greater than 5. And lastly, whenever the values of x are greater than 1, like when x equals to 3, we get the value less than 3. That is positive slope but less than 3. Okay, so our required curve looks like this. So that's all for today. We Sauras's classes provide different study materials and mock test series for ISI entrances, so you can join us for this, and for further details you can check our website also, which is www.saurasclasses.com, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.